Hello everyone. Let's see main question number 11. It is multiple choice questions. That 26th one. The process of producing new individuals in rhizopus ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Which carries 1 mark. Process of producing new individuals in rhizopus. Option A, spore formation. Option B, fragmentation. Option C, budding. Option D, regeneration. So, the process of producing new individuals in rhizopus. A. Rhizopus, usually they are observed in red mold, alva rhizopus. That black color or greenish blue color layer ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾಗಿದೆ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೈಸೋಪಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ spore formation is correct. Here spores are covered with thick walls and they are protected until they come into contact with moisture and they start to grow. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಥಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್. ನೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ is wrong. Fragmentation usually found in Spirogyra. When they matures, they start to ಪೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ, ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟಿಂಗ್ is observed in Hydra. This is also wrong. Regeneration is also wrong. Usually it is found in Veneria. So correct answer is option A, spore formation. Thank you.